Hey guys, good morning. In today's video, we're going over Dogecoin. I'm going to show you guys our 102 for 102 winning trades in a row. I'm going to show you guys how to get into a Dogecoin trade in this video that I believe conservatively, we're not going to overshoot this by any means. Conservatively, you guys could probably do about 18% on this long trade. I'm going to show you guys how to set up here, and I'm going to show you how to do it with really, really good risk management coming from us who we've never lost a trade. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube with the program we're using to trade crypto. I'll show you guys how to get into that program in the second half of this video and some other really fun things we've got planned here. We just ended up launching the Inner Circle yesterday, so something that I'm going to be talking about on just a few videos here. It's basically masterclass level training that I'm going to be giving you guys on our website here. And yesterday I came out with the first video of getting to know me, my trading background, my journey. So I thought that was a really good way to start that. But guys, this was something that we were going to launch in actually March, and so we're starting like yesterday. Definitely want to be checking that out, and I'll share that with you guys a little bit later. Okay, let's take a look at Dogecoin right now. We are sitting over here, and I want us just to observe a few things. I want us to look at the trend exhaustion, the price to swell money flow, and the trend exhaustion. These indicators, guys, are the best to have for crypto. Hands down. What I'm looking at here is what all retail traders are looking at this morning. Retail traders, they're going to use RSI, stochastic, and MACD. They're going to use their big moving averages. This is what retail traders are looking at, okay? They're looking at momentum to be heading down this morning. Most of their indicators are bearish, looking for that bearish pressure in the market. So I wouldn't doubt if a lot of them starting to look in here are looking to short this morning or looking to sell their positions because they're still scared. Majority of their indicators are looking at that, okay? But what I want to show you guys is I want to show you something down here. If you guys take a look at Dogecoin here, and let's take a look at this. Price to swell money flow and the trend exhaustion. These are the two indicators I've used. This is how we've actually won all 102 wins, is we've used these to exit the market. Here's how you read this. I'm going to do what I did this morning on the previous video. Sometimes this helps you guys who are brand new to understand this. I'll go into in the future of how to read this. But the price action is in pink, and then the well money flow is in green. What I want us to do this morning is just take price off for a second. I want to make this a little bit clearer for you guys. What I'm watching for in the morning is one thing. It's so simple, guys. All I'm looking for is the market due for a move down, or is it due for a move up? That's the simplest way to do technical analysis, in my opinion. What I'm looking for is the trend exhaustion in a top red section? Is the well money flow very high? If it is, this tells me that this is an overextended market in this area, these 3-4 candles up here, and I'm looking for the drops back down. Okay, that's how we were able to predict that move. The previous time where we got this huge spike over here where Elon Musk said that he was considering accepting Dogecoin for merchandise, what do we see? A huge spike up here in the well money flow, people purchasing, and the trend exhaustion was very high. This is when I came out on a channel, and all of you guys who took that exit made about 22% on that trade. Okay, look at the time right after that. Were you able to predict the market down in Dogecoin? Look, guys, there's billions of dollars in Dogecoin, and we're predicting the drops in it. Trend exhaustion in the top red section. Well money flow is clearly sustained in its high. Can it go up any higher? Very, very unlikely that Dogecoin is going to go up any higher. And then we see it pushing the top red section here, as well as the well money flow is high in this area. It's in consolidation, and that even called the drop as well. The accuracy of these guys are just, it's like mind-boggling sometimes. Now look at where we're currently sitting. And another thing you guys can do as well is if you're looking at this, if you can actually predict the pumps up too. I'll show this to you as well. Do you guys see what happened right here? You had a low and another lower low on the charts. And then do you guys see what happened with the flow of money during this time period? It moved up. Money was flowing into the market. Look at the trend exhaustion. What happened here during this time period? It moved up. So this was telling us that the trend was exhausted from going down, and it was due for a move up here. Okay, that's bullish. What are we looking over here? Money flowing into the market. That's bullish. And then we see a crazy pump here. And this was not all Elon Musk. This was a pump before he came out with that. That was on these few candle wicks right here with the tweet he did. But before that, the way this was predicted was with these indicators. If you guys are following the flow of money, you're going to be able to follow the future price predictions of coins. It's honestly like that simple. I'm going to show this to you guys later with the Well Institution metric that we have. Okay, literally, you guys get to watch what smart money does. What I'm seeing right now is that we came from this low here. Trend exhaustion got low. Price versus well money flow got low. Sweet. That was, in my opinion, a place where we're looking for a turnaround. I saw this, guys, and this is partly why I injected $35,000 more into the market yesterday. I'm injecting another $14,000 today. This was yesterday. I'm injecting another $14,000 into the market tomorrow. That's today. Yesterday, I bought even portions of all 7 of these coins, and Dogecoin was absolutely on that, guys. I think Dogecoin is an incredible coin, and it should not be off your watch list. I do believe Dogecoin should be in your portfolio. I will come out today when the $14,000 clears, because I need to do it about 10 o'clock, because Coinbase takes 24 hours to cycle through and allow you to deposit more. But I'm going to show you guys in Telegram exactly what I'm buying today when that does come out. So I'll let you guys know. Dogecoin, though, has the potential to start moving up here. And guys, do you see what we actually got? We are actually in an official uptrend pattern. A low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. This is an uptrend pattern here. The only thing that can break this is a break below support here of about 1235. Okay, I told you guys I'd show you how to get into about an 18% trade right now with really good risk management. It's going to be really hard to lose. I will show that to you guys in just a moment here. I'll go over this in a second. It's just our membership. It's going up in price to $95 a month versus $49. That's going to give you guys access to all the metrics I'm about to show you, as well as all the trade entries and the inner circle as well. So Dogecoin Metrics updating at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is showing us that the emotional market right now is sitting still in an anxious section here. People are not excited. They're not greedy. When they are greedy and they're very excited, this is when the market actually drops back down. It drops back down here. You guys can see this when we push up to these areas. This is when we're actually seeing the drops back down in Dogecoin and the crypto market as a whole. It's when people are greedy is when all the wells and institutions are going to short you guys out. Seriously, watch this. This is anxious, right? Move down here. I'm going to show you guys something. Long for short trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex. We see here right now that short trades are increasing. This is kind of interesting because long trades are completely moving out and short trades are increasing. So this could mean that a lot of people think that Dogecoin is due for a continuation move back down. Now, if they do that, that's awesome because we still have 2 more buy limits down here. And I set up a trade yesterday. We have 2 more buy limits on that trade as well. So it's only going to be more favorable for us if this actually keeps heading down because we're going to get more money in this market. Again, I'll show you guys how to trade this at the end of this video. Okay. Coming down here, I want us to look at this. Trades in favor. Where is the blue metric value? It is sitting in good long trades. This means long trades are in favor. I do not believe short trades are in favor right now. You guys want to know when a great short trade was? Up here when Elon Musk came out with his tweet saying that he's accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. Guess what happened after that? Everyone made a killing on short trades because it moved back down. Do you guys see how much money you can literally pull out of the market just with our metrics? If you guys are just watching this on a daily basis, this is how you have power on your side when you trade. A lot of people look at charts and this is what they do. They look at it and they're trying to draw all these trend lines. And I'm like, oh my gosh, okay. Trend lines are great. I have nothing against that. But you need to follow where emotions are. And you need to do this, guys. You need to look behind the chart. These metrics look behind the chart and tell you guys behavior of past transactions, behavior of past emotions, behavior of past price structures and what's happened at those levels. When you guys see down here that this is a great time to take a long trade, you're going to most likely see the market move up. Our metrics, guys, are about 80% accurate. I'm not going to come in here and just say 90, 95, 100. No, they're about 80 to, some of these are about 80 to 85%. Look at this here, guys. Well and institutional smart money. You want to stay on the side of smart money and literally take your trading to a whole nother level. Get our membership, get over here and have these metrics in your toolbox every morning before you take or exit a trade. Look at this. Elon Musk comes out and says he's going to accept Dogecoin for merchandise. It pumps up, but what happens? Smart money came out here and shorted everybody. It dropped. There's no way this is going to keep going up when you see this. There's absolutely no way. Then over here, Elon Musk says, we're going to accept Dogecoin we're considering accepting Dogecoin for merchandise. It sees a pump. Wells and institutions come out. They short the whole thing. Drops all the way back down. Over here, we see a pump. A crazy bar comes out here for short trades for smart money and it drops back down. But look at this. Market crashes. What's the saving grace over here for everybody? Wells and institutions went long. Look at that metric value over here. Right around that area, we started moving back up. Why am I buying so much money right now in the crypto market? It's because I see this over here. I'm seeing this level over here, and I know in the past this has triggered price movements back up, guys. This has triggered movements back up into bull markets, okay? This crazy long trade over here was basically the drop before we went to a bull market cycle. Okay, I'm expecting this to happen soon in the crypto market. Could crypto go down further? Yes. Don't let me convince you it can't, because it absolutely can. But I believe we're sitting in a time right now that this is a great time to be purchasing, and I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you guys to do, and I'm purchasing myself. Support and resistance prices. 1204, that's our current support that we're looking at. But as we move up here, I do believe it is not unrealistic to head up to this support up here about 16 cents. 16 cents moves us right about this level. Pull it up right about here. It's at this level right here. This is where I think you guys can pull out a trade here. And as I showed you guys in the beginning, I'm going to show you how to get into this trade here. This is what we're going to move into right now, is taking, and I mentioned 18%. I wanted to be conservative, but literally at this structure high, if you guys are looking at this right here, we could be doing between 18 to 23%. 23 is probably actually a better estimate here because it's at structure high, and that's probably where a lot of things are going to drop. So you're looking at about a 23% gain that you could be seeing on the Dogecoin trade. And I'll show you how to get in here. Let's do this right now. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys want to come in, you want to, put money in the market. If you have 10,000 bucks, you want to throw $1,000 into the market every single time. Great, you guys will do great. Hold for long term. Exit points coming out here showing where the market's usually expected to drop. Literally has called this the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a row. Hasn't actually ever been wrong. So when this starts moving up again, watch this metric for a drop, guys. Okay. So let me show you guys how to get into this Dogecoin trade, because I know a lot of you guys came here for the title of this. Here's how you guys access this data. It's under our membership here. $49 a month, guys, gives you access to all of our metrics, all the metrics you guys just saw for our top 12 coins. You guys get access into the inner circle now, which is brand new as of yesterday. Again, I'm not charging you guys anymore. I'm adding so much value to this membership right now because I want you guys to get in now. We are going to up our membership to $95 a month starting February 25th. This is next month, guys. Like, it's January 25th. Next month, you guys can never secure this price for lower than $95. Getting in now, guys, I will grandfather all of you in. Seriously, guys, this is so important that you understand the value that we're about to add to this. This is why I partly came out with the inner circle, and I wanted to show this to you guys because we already have a training video up here, and I'm going to come out with more here. Probably, I'm going to try to do a training video and masterclass video almost every single week. The amount of education you guys are going to get over here, I want to take this to a whole nother level that just beats everybody else out online. That's just absolutely just insane by how much value I give you guys. And then we're going to be scheduling, I don't know if you guys saw this, so let me go down here. Then we're going to be actually scheduling in March actually live Zoom calls that I'll get on with you guys, and we're all going to get on together as a family, literally thousands, hundreds if not a few thousand people on the call at the same time, and we're going to go over the markets. I'm going to answer your guys' questions. We're going to go, guys, it's going to be so much fun going into 2022. And so what I'm kind of taking a little bit longer to say this. Please, guys, get in at $49 a month. You will not regret this whatsoever, I promise you. And then you guys can look at this when this eventually goes up in price and be like, wow, I'm literally saving myself $46 every single month because I just got in at the cheaper prices. Okay. Access to all the metrics. This membership is also going to give you access to all of the buy limits. And today we're obviously talking about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is where you guys want to be clicking right here. Click this link, and this will, guys, will open up all your buy limits for Dogecoin. I'm going to show you how to do this on Bitcoin. Same principle stays true. Okay. Here's what we're going to do, guys. All metrics updated at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What you're going to do is take the amount of cash you want to trade Dogecoin with or any of our coins with. Again, I believe this is a great time to buy. I'm doing it as well. Let's say you have $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. It's just $250, okay? $250 goes at each one of these buy limits. All the buy limits are in yellow here. $250, $250, $250, $250. Set them all up, all right? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange for 100% exit. That's in case the market goes up here and just skyrockets. You guys can take, a full profit. All right. In the meantime, you want to come over here and join me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for all the coins. I'm calling out what I'm buying. I'm giving you guys access and updates for when I come out with the inner circle training for you guys. Everything's in the Telegram channel. Seriously, that is the spot to be, is in the Telegram channel. Okay, guys? So when you're over here, sign up on your Telegram channel, on your personal Telegram. You're on your phone or your computer first. The membership will unlock this link for you guys, and it'll give you a hot link so you guys can join us over here and everybody else. All right? We're using the indicators to call exits on all of these trades here. The last 102 trades you guys saw, we were using the indicators to exit that trade. All right? The indicators that you guys are going to want to get is the bundle pack today. I was going to try to show this to you guys to show you proof of this, but I've done this like so many times. You guys probably seen this. Again, I'm exiting this trade right now because the trend exhaustion and price response money flow are both high and expecting to drop. Okay, the indicators you guys saw me use in the beginning of the video, these two right here, these are the ones, and the trend exhaustion. You really want to get these. You guys have 3 days left before the prices go up. Okay, the price response money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. I'm just trying to give you guys everything if you want to follow us. This is the last time you guys can get these indicators before they go up. It is never going to be lower than this again. Now, these 3 indicators here, when purchased with the coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, that's going to give you 60% off. The reason why I have the bundle pack up here on top is that this is technically a better deal for you guys. Here's the reason why. What you're going to pay to get these 3 indicators here is basically the exact same price, very close to the same price of the bundle pack. And with the bundle pack, you guys get 6 indicators on top of these 3 for a total of actually 9 indicators. You guys get all of our indicators for the bundle pack, whereas you'd have to pay basically the same price to get these 3. So why not get everything for basically the same price? And this month, we're going to be upping these. Here's something else I want to say real quick before I leave this section, because I'm going to go over and show you guys that Dogecoin trade. When you guys get in over here, if you guys have purchased any individual indicators from us, let's say you purchased the trend exhaustion or the price for swell money flow, and you guys want to come over and upgrade to the bundle pack before these prices go up, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, betradeconfident@gmail.com. Okay, you do not need a paid TradingView membership to use these. They work on a free TradingView account up to 3 indicators, which is what I use. So no need to upgrade that, okay? Email us and we'll give you a PayPal link to pay the difference here so you guys can get the bundle pack before these prices go up, okay? That's in the description. The Dogecoin trade that you guys can enter into right now is going to be accessed over here. I showed this to you guys. It's going to, excuse me, guys. My apologies. The Dogecoin trade is right here that you guys can access. You want to click in here to get all 4 of your buy limits. Now, here's what you guys are going to do. Enter a buy limit here, buy limit, buy limit, buy limit. Okay, great. Now that this is all entered in here, what's going to happen is once you guys' first buy limit gets hit and it starts moving up, you're in the profit. You're going to make money. Okay, but the reason why we have other buy limits down here is because of why we have buy limits up here. The market is never guaranteed to go up. So what we do with our buy limits is we purchase insurance on our trades. So if you hit our first buy limit, great, we go up, we make money. If we hit our second buy limit, like we hit the second buy limit over here, and then we go up, do you realize that you're making 100% more profit on this trade than if you were to hit your first buy limit? Let's say I put $1,000 at each of these buy limits right here that are in this current trade. Cool, I'm going to earn on $1,000 if it goes up here and I exit. Now that we hit the second buy limit, I'm going to earn on $2,000 when we break above break-even entry. Hit the third, I'm going to earn on $3,000. I'm going to earn on $4,000. Do you guys see how this strategy is so ridiculously good because it gives you insurance on your trade? You make more money as the market goes against you, and as the market goes against you, you automatically have a strategy that's going to drop your break-even entry point. This is the best strategy to use, hands down, guys, without a doubt. And then here's what I want you guys to do. Everyone who's entering in today, I absolutely believe you guys could come up here and see a 23% increase. That is not high. Like, I'm not going to come out here and do like clickbait and be like, oh, we're going to move up to like 152% on this trade. Like, no, I could even come out here and show you guys 56%, which is realistic. I could show you 45%, which is realistic. I think the most realistic gain here is about 23%. It's just this structure high right here. And it's also correlated to this structure here. So guys, here's what you're going to do. How do you predict the drop before it happens? Watch the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. That's it, guys. I showed you how we called all the drops in here. What you're watching for those of you guys who get into the trade today, is for the trend exhaustion to push in the top red section here, as well as the well money flow being high. That's all you guys are doing. Watch for when the trend exhaustion gets up here. Let me show you guys how to set up an alert for this for Dogecoin so you guys can see how to do this. Come over here to Dogecoin and click trend exhaustion. Once you do that, you're going to click watch for drop. Once per bar close. Awesome. Now under the alert name, you're going to do Doge right here, Doge, and then watch for drop. That's it. And you're going to create an alert. Now, once this white line crosses above this red line right here into the top red section, which is how we call drops, you're going to get an alert. Like literally, if you guys want to scalp this trade, that's totally fine. Like this still has some time to move up here. Once that happens, what if you guys come out here and just scalp this right here and just make a quick 10%? Like, who doesn't want to make 10%? Guys, I'm in this trade already, so I'm going to make this money regardless because I got in down here at 13 cents. Okay, I'll actually show this to you guys. I want to keep everything transparent. Here's my entry right here. Here's Doge I took yesterday. I got in at 13 cents, 13.03. I'm already in this trade, so it's not like I'm telling you to do something I'm not doing. I got in, honestly, a little bit lower than you guys. So those of you who get in right now, and we all ride this up here, watch for this to exit. In the Telegram channel, I'm not going to be calling this exit because the Telegram channel only calls exits on the trades that are kept track of on YouTube, which is this trade up here. But I'm showing you guys how to make money right now. Wait for the trend exhaustion to push in the top red section here, and when the well money flow is high, that's where we're expecting to drop back down. And you guys can do that here and easily take, I think, 12 to 23% on this trade. There you guys go. That's how you can make money with really good risk management. It's going to be extremely hard to lose that trade. And I can quote unquote guarantee you guys you're not going to lose that trade because you have buy limits set up so low. And all the buy limits can be accessed right here on the front page with your guys' membership for Dogecoin. Okay? So let's wrap this up, guys. Our membership is the first thing you guys want to get, and you want to secure your spot over here before it goes up, okay? That'll give you access to all the metrics, all the buy limits, as well as the inner circle and the Telegram channel access. Literally everything Everything we offer unlocks with $49 a month, except for the indicators. The indicators you guys want to be snagging right now because you only have 3 days left and these prices are going to be going up. Once you have all that, guys, get in the Telegram channel, set your trades up, and just watch for exits that I'm going to call out in Telegram. And that's all you guys are doing. This is so fun. You guys are going to finally be able to trade as a family with us, and we're going to be doing this together. And I cannot wait to go into 2022 and see what we've got going on here. I think crypto is due for a rebound, which is why I'm entering in almost $50,000 of new money, $49,000 of new money I've entered into the market. Guys, this is going to be a great time to buy. Do not miss this. All the indicators are in the description, as well as everything you need to get the metrics, as well as our membership is in the description. Everything is going up in price, guys, so as well as crypto. So get everything on discount. Crypto, get our indicators on discount, get our membership on discount, and get all this education on discount right now. And then when we explode with all this education coming out, you guys can look back and be like, wow, I got all that for literally the cheapest price. Well, unfortunately, other people had to pay more. That is what I want you guys to do today. Do that for me today, and I promise you guys will not regret it whatsoever, okay? God bless you guys so much. Everything you need is in the description, as well as I've pinned it to the first YouTube comment so you guys can get the discounts on there. All right, guys, God bless you. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, guys.